Here at the airport, many people are still feeling the impacts of flight cancellations from earlier this morning. Many of them starting to realize that they're part of an interconnected web of companies that are increasingly relying on a small number of tech companies to keep things running. Airline passengers in agony, businesses frozen in time, and plans wrecked by a global outage, triggered by an issue with a Microsoft Windows update from the Texas-based cybersecurity company Crowdstrike.
It's not a cybercrime group, it's just a bug in code. And the problem was that bug caused Windows to crash.
Crowdstrike says it's working with all impacted customers to ensure systems are back up. Microsoft CEO said it's working to bring their systems back online. Austin-based Crowdstrike is used by many major companies around the globe, including Microsoft, and is rapidly growing its market share.
I think the other thing we're seeing here is how ubiquitous Microsoft is, because this only affected Windows customers. So I think that's a bigger question I have is just how reliant are we on Microsoft?
Tech experts say this incident is highlighting how much of our lives depend on digital technology and a very small number of major companies providing it.
The term digital monoculture comes up.
The San Francisco-based Electronic Frontier Foundation suggests we need to find ways to be less reliant on big tech so that a single issue doesn't affect so many aspects of our lives.
I think that what we need to kind of move towards is a system where we have less reliance on big tech. We can kind of rely on some of these decentralized systems.
But in practice, that may be difficult. Security pros say companies will continue to rely on these big digital players because they're more affordable and built to handle the massive demand of a digital world. So if you can't avoid them, experts say your next line of defense is scrutinizing them.
At the same time, as they vet the solution they're procuring from these vendors, they also need to make sure they vet the process on how updates are delivered.
This computer science professor says it's a reminder to the next generation of tech professionals as our digital reliance grows. Your products need to be rock solid.
Telling them that, hey, when you write the software, you have to make sure that that software has to be high quality.
In San Jose, Alyssa Gord, NBC, Bay Area News.